In any company, team members are assigned tasks according to their skills, which define their role in the organization. You can easily create these roles and assign the corresponding roles to your team members while inviting them to Rocketlane. You can also create roles for your customers who you will collaborate with on the projects. When creating a project, you can use roles as temporary placeholders if you're unsure who will handle a task. This allows you to add a placeholder for a team member or a customer and later replace it with the actual person who will work on the project. For instance, if you are undecided about which team member will be part of the implementation, you can add the placeholder role of implementation specialists during project creation. Later on, when you know which team member from the implementation team will take on the task, you can replace implementation specialist with the team member. Now, let's see how to create a role in Rocketlane. Log in as an admin and navigate to your profile icon. Click on Settings and select Roles and Placeholders under the Account section. Click on New Role. In the New Role pane, select the type of role as team member or customer as per your preference. Enter the role name as you prefer, like Creative Head. This is just an example. Check the box near Use as Placeholder if you wish the role to be used as a placeholder during project creation. If you want the role to be available to partners, check the box near that option. After adding the necessary details, click Save to create the role. You can switch between the Team Members and Customers tab to view the roles under each section. And that's how you set up roles in Rocketlane. If you have any further questions, please write to care@rocketlane.com.